Hey everybody, Chef Ted Reeder here, Godfather of the Grill. As you've noticed, we're not in my backyard. We're actually at my restaurant, The Joint. Chris, man, we're all set to cook.
I'm looking for something. I can't find my Sailor Jerry.
It's out here already, man. You've been out here 5 times already.
That's all I got left.
Well, then let's enjoy it. What are we gonna make today? We're gonna make Bloody Caesar steak sandwiches. First things you gotta know about is you need a nice steak. We're gonna work with these beautiful little New York strip steaks. They weigh about 8 ounces each.
Oh.
They're cut about, hang on, don't waste that stuff. And this is gonna go really well. Take a Ziploc bag, this is your part. We're gonna take a can, Matt and Steve. You know Matt, you know Steve.
It seems like a waste. Can we drink it after we marinate?
If you want to. We're gonna take a little bit of Matt and Steve's Caesar Rimmer, tablespoon of my bone dust.
That's damn tasty stuff. Ted's bone dust.
All right, Matt and Steve got these pickled asparagus called asparagus. We're gonna add a little bit of that pickle juice in there.
Oh.
They're famous for their pickle juice. Horseradish, so we're gonna throw in a tablespoon.
Got to be a little bit bite on the old nose.
Dash of hot sauce. You wanna get that beefiness up. Concentrated liquid beef stock. Just a tablespoon of that to go in there. A little bit of dill, and then mix it up in a self-sealing bag like that. Put it in your refrigerator. I wouldn't recommend going overnight, 4 to 6 hours at the most.
That's it.
So make the marinade when you get up in the morning, put it on your steaks. When you come home from work, then you can head out to your grill and get to go.
Put that in the refrigerator?
Put that in the refrigerator. We're making a steak sandwich. I like tomato, 1/2 inch thick, salt and pepper, a little bit of that Caesar Rimmer, blue cheese.
Pyramid of blue cheese on each one of them.
On each one. What we're gonna do is we're going to fry these on one side. The blue cheese is gonna melt on the top. It's a beautiful place you got going on, you know?
Actually, it's working out pretty damn good.
All right, so you're gonna dice this.
Mother was a hell of a dicer. She could dice.
Mother was a good dicer?
The best. How's that, Ted?
Not too bad. Not too bad at all. A few cloves of fresh garlic, and we're just gonna grate them because you cut the pepper in half. You use a spoon, scoop it out. This is gonna give us a little fresh bite and crunch, a little bit more dill. So you got garlic, onions, chilies, parsley, some dill, a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit more of that Matt and Steve's, little drizzle of olive oil like that. It's like you're making a relish. We've got a lot here. Just set it on top.
That looks damn tasty, Ted. And you know, real healthy. Is this in one of your cookbooks?
No.
A little left. Watch. Not my best shot. Quiet. Where'd that go?
It's on the road. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Oh, I'll try one more. Get a couple beers. That's how you get better. Little right, but good distance. Damn good. Oh.
Almost hit the car.
I can't believe you've never been told to put a fucking fence up.
Fuck, that was
Close. All right, let's do this. Our coals are nice and white hot. We're gonna take this griddle pan, the left side. And we don't have, if you look underneath, we don't have a lot of charcoal under there. We just want a little bit so that it gets hot. There'll be enough residual heat coming from the charcoal on the right-hand side, which will cook our steaks on. Not overcooked tomatoes. They're still gonna have a little bit of bite to them. And then you're gonna get a crunch from the raw onion and the dill and the parsley and the chilies on top, and that's gonna give you a different bite and a little bit more of that acidity that comes from those vegetables. And then the cheese is gonna, the blue cheese is gonna make it all creamy. These are coming along, and I'm just gonna drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil in the center.
You want some butter, Ted?
Then you take your stick of butter and just baste the top of the steak, just like that.
Everything tastes better with a bit of butter.
We've got the bread, we've got our steaks, we got our blue cheese, onion, chili, griddled tomatoes. This one's all ooey and gooey, just like that.
Thing of beauty.
It's not too shabby, is it? And that's what you got.
That's a beautiful looking sandwich, Ted.
And you know, because of the price of lettuce, there's no fucking lettuce on it. Don't fuck it up, man. You're all over on fire there. What the hell are you doing?
Worry about yourself.
Okay, just get it together, man.
That's yours, Jamie, the burnt one?
Cheers.
Cheers, Ted.
Enjoy your steak sandwich. Get the A-frame, Chris, so you don't ruin your jacket.
Yes.
Okay, legs apart.
Got this for Christmas.
Ass out.
Now you hit this one right out of the park. You should make this at home, and you know something? God bless.
Cheers. Ted Reader, Godfather of the Grill. Come tune in next week. We'll make another tasty recipe and have some fun. Cheers. It be tasty.